Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to merge support tickets together on Freshdesk using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. In the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Freshdesk, and some support tickets that we have created. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this way for that to load. Once it is loaded, let's go to Freshdesk. Freshworks.com, click on this. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. And let's go to account. Once you are in the account, let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to tickets. And now we should have a couple of tickets that we have created. So now what we will do is click on one ticket, then click on another ticket, and then let's click on merge. And then we then receive the prompt on screen that tells us that two tickets selected are going to be merged. Interactions from secondary tickets will be added to the primary ticket. Discussion threads from secondary tickets will be discarded. So that's okay. We can change this to contact subject ID. Let's just keep it to contact. We can also have add secondary ticket recipients to CC. That's for another video. Let's now click on continue. Merge together. One update. Click on this. And there we have it. These two tickets have been merged together. If I were to, let's just say, open this ticket up. Open this ticket up again. Click on both tickets, merge together. Continue, merge. One update, and these two tickets have been merged together. That's been closed. Click on second ticket or the first ticket, and there we have it. Let's now go back one. We can also, if we need to, delete the ticket, but that's all for another video. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.